Food Industry is a company based in the northeast of Italy, and it has more than 20 years of history in production. We sell our products in the large-scale distribution, in vending and HoReCa sectors. All our products are designed to be healthy. In fact, in addition to our conventional line, we have a complete range of organic products too. We started to roast barley to be used instead of coffee for those who couldn't take caffeine, and only later did we also produce coffee. In 2013, we built a new plant with modern production and packaging techniques and started producing a full range of instant soluble products such as chocolate, tea with and without added sugars, cappuccino, vanilla, caramel, Irish hazelnut, skimmed milk and white beverage based on this, coffee, barley, ginseng coffee, zabayon and citrus fruit drinks. We produce dense chocolate, classic, bitter and white in many flavors, and we also manufacture capsules in dolce gusto version. All this you can also find on our website, where you can also buy the products. Our goal is to satisfy our consumer with high-quality products that promote health. So, drink different.